Hey, so welcome back to another video. We're going to carry on with the next optimization for our Tamago Yaki pen. Right, so since it's been 1 week since we have last launched this product, so we launched this product on the 31st of October. Today is the 7th of November 2022. So let's check what has been done. So in the past 7 days, we have got 202 orders. So if you ask me, this pen is actually doing very well, right? The sales is actually great. So we got this number one new release batch on Amazon directly as a result from our advertising efforts. So if you recall, we launched our product with PPC only, and with that we managed to get this new release number one ranking. And on top of that, we also have a pretty good rank in the subcategory for omelette pens. So we can find it over here, right? So we are ranked number 4 overall, okay, in terms of the omelette pens ladder rank. And even then, most of them are not exactly our tamagoyaki kind of pen. So the best competitor as such is number 19, right? This is our top competitor. And right now we are number 2 in the whole tamagoyaki pen market, right? We have so many other competitors that are doing like this with thousands of reviews, but they are not moving as fast as us. So I can consider this a roaring success, right? So now the objective for today is we want to optimize our ads, right? Because before we go to the ads, right? Look at the order by the day from the moment we launch. On day one, we got 5 units sold. After that, the next day, 14 units, 27 units sold in this day on 2nd November. On the 3rd November, it was 35 units. Then the next day, 30 units. And this is the amazing day that we had, 5th November, 50 units of Tamagoyaki pen sold in one day. Then 6th November is 43 units. Okay, so today, this is a fresh day. We just started. Alright, so yeah, so this pen is insane, the launch, right? Okay, so now we are looking at Helium 10 Cerebro for our ASIN, alright, to see where we rank on Amazon. So to date, this is day 7 of our launch, just 1 week, and this is the organic rank they have secured on Amazon, which is pretty impressive just from a PPC launch point of view. Alright, so if you look at this, we are rank 1 for a 3000 search volume keyword like this, Tamagoyaki pen, very relevant. Okay, yeah, in fact we're here, right? So this is still a first page rank result, which is awesome just from PPC alone, right? So you can see the power of PPC. This is our goal, to get organic rank for a lot of these highly relevant keywords so that we can keep selling organically, all right, without relying much on PPC after that. Okay, so this is the Cerebro kind of rank. We are indexed for 316 organic keyword just 1 week after. So in terms of our keyword tracker, we have all these keywords that we have tracked on a daily basis. So Helium 10's keyword tracker has summarized that we have 30 keywords in the top 10 organic rank, and that's a combined search volume of about 24,000 search volume per month. So in the top 50, which is page 1 rank, we have a combined search volume of about 77,000, excluding the top 10. Right, so this is how powerful this launch has been. Okay, so these are our decent top ranking page 1, rank 1 to rank 10 kind of keywords over here. And these are all very highly relevant, and these are, even though they are in the hundreds, they adds up together to a significant number, like 100,000 keywords total, search volume total. Okay, so now with our ranking out of the way, let's go to Amazon PPC optimization, and that's the whole purpose of this video. So now we are on Amazon advertising ad console. So we have obtained about a launch A cost of about 64% total. So on average, so which is actually pretty great, right? Because most of the products that people have launched, usually they find that their A cost goes above 100%. All right, so I think this launch has been very, very successful. All right, so now let's optimize our ads. So if you recall, previously we created all of these campaigns here to launch and target highly relevant keywords, right? So to date, our top of search impression has been quite healthy so far. There are some with 80%. So what this means is that 80% of the time we are appearing on top of search, right? And we're not paying a lot of money also to really reach the top of search, and our A cost is as such. Okay, so there are some profitable campaigns, there are some not so profitable campaigns. So let's optimize these campaigns. All right, so the first step we're going to be introducing is the bulk sheet operations, because if we were to adjust the ads one by one in every single individual campaign like this, it's going to take you a long time, right, to go through one by one. That's why we are using bulk sheets, right? So I'm just going to show an example of how people would like to do one by one, right? So look at this, they'll look at the ads here. Okay, the A cost is this much, the CPC is this much, so perhaps I can reduce my bid here so that I can be more profitable in my A cost. All right, so but we're not going to do it here. This is the old-fashioned way. We're going to do it in the bulk sheet. All right, bulk sheets are accessible by clicking on this. Go to bulk operation. All right, I would usually like to have campaign items with 0 impressions tick as well, and I just want for the full duration, which is from the day we launch all the way to today. Okay, in fact, if you ask me, Amazon's ad data is not very accurate for the past 3 days from the date that you adjust. So it's not accurate for Monday, Sunday, and Saturday. So take these 3 days data with a pinch of salt. But since I only got 7 days worth of data anyways, I'm going to take the past 7 days. All right, so basically we're relying on data from Monday to Friday to adjust the bids. All right, so just take note of that. Okay, and just click spreadsheet for download. All right, so after you click on this, you should have a download file like that. Just click on this download button, and you will see a download like this. Okay, so just click on it, ensure that you know where your download is, and we'll start the optimization from the sheet right here. So in the next video, we are going to go through how do we actually optimize our bulk sheet campaigns. Okay, so stay tuned. This has been an awesome launch. Do follow us on this journey as we optimize this to profitability and even to beyond. All right, so we're excited to see you there. See you.